Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Yo guys, before the start video I'm gonna say, do you want to support me? Subscribe to the channel, like video, that's all. And let's back to video. So guys, I have two files, first character and second layer background. And now I want to prepare these layers for create parallax animation. First one, choose this layer 1 and Ctrl D for duplicate. Add name clouds and go to solo and choose pen tool. And let's create pen tool like this for fast masking. Okay, and let's unsolo. Choose layer 1, again Ctrl D for duplicate and go to solo, again pen tool, and let's create mask for this background trees. Okay, and unsolo, select again layer 1, Ctrl D for duplicate, go to solo, again pen tool, and let's create mask for these ground parts. Let's again create fast mask. Okay, and unsolo. So select this layer 1 and delete. And now let's go to active camera, choose this top and enable character, select all layers and click this icon for turn to 3D layer. Okay, select this layer clouds. Let's press P, move to back. And layer 2, again press P, move to back, and layer 3, press P and move to back. And select this character, press P also and move to back. So this is parallax technique. And now let's back to active camera and choose this cloud, press S, change scale, and layer 2, press S, change scale, and layer 3, press S, change scale and move up. And also character, let's put here. So this is parallax way for create camera animation. And let's open my already conversation. And we'll have again 4 layers, clouds, this part and this parts, and layer 3, ground. Also character. So let's back to top and let's see layers. Okay, this is for parallax. And now let's create new camera tool. Right click new and camera. And presets I will choose 50mm. Click OK. And for control camera movements, let's right click, go to camera and create orbit null. And hold control, double click pen behind icon for move to anchor point to center. Clickation tool. And now let's press P, create new passing keyframe, go to 5 seconds and zoom to like this. Okay, that's good. Let's see. We can see dip here for parallax. That's good. And we have problem here. Let's fix it. Choose this layer 2 and move it down. Okay. And select this camera, let's hold shift, press R and create X and Y rotation keyframes, go to last second and let's change the bit to left and up. Also let's zoom to like this and move to down. Okay, and chain rotation like this. Okay, let's see animation. Nice, very good. And we have a little problem here. Let's choose layer and move to up. Also here. Nice. And also don't forget to enable this background layer. Okay. So let's create rain animation. First, new and adjustment layer. Add name rain. and go to FS Preset, search FXCC rainfall. Choose rainfall, use for rain adjustment layer. And let's see. Nice. We can play settings for create better results. Let's change size and scene depth and speed, also wind and spread. Let's see. Nice, very good. So in this time, let's add puppet pin tools for animate character. Choose this character and let's Control D for now and go to solo. And let's open puppet pin tool. Let's add one puppet here and here, also here. Okay, we can animate like this. So in this time, let's click mesh for turn off and open mesh 1, deform, and choose first deform. This is puppet pin 1. Let's open inside. And we have active keyframes here. Let's go to 2 seconds and move it down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, go to 5 seconds and move like this. Okay, also choose this puppet pin 2. Go to here. Let's move it down like this. Okay, and go to last keyframe. Move to left. And this puppet pin 3, open inside. Go to middle and move to left and move to right. Go to last keyframe, again move to down. So let's preview animation. Nice, not bad. And unsolo layer. Let's preview again, and before choose this character and delete. Clickation tool and preview. Nice. That's look cinematic and I love it. Not bad. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.